Hello and welcome to Datasar. Today I'm going to show you how to add multiple images to a page or a post at connect.datasar.com. So let's go to datasar.com. We're going to click the login button. And that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. So to work on your website, to add the images to a page or a post, you click on the website button. These are the editing buttons for pages and posts. This is page templates. We're not going to use that today. Theme to change the look of your website. We're not going to use that. This is the settings for doing your social media, adjusting your address and things like that. But remember that pages and posts, the editing tools for adding images, for adding multiple images is exactly the same. So although we're working with pages today, just remember that posts is exactly the same. You do the same thing. So let's go ahead and visit our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. And we created this waterfalls page. This is the page we'll be editing. You'll see that the page is completely blank. This is just our bottom menu on the website. Let's also click on our blogs page. We created this blog, how to add multiple images to a page or a post. And there's some reasons why you want to do that. You want to dress up a page or a post on your website. You want to grab the viewer's attention. You're featuring products or items on a page or a post, or you're improving the look of your website. And then here are some written instructions on this. And if you go to our help site at help.datasar.com, click on website help, you'll find the written instructions below the tutorial video. So let's tab back over. Again, the editing tools for pages and posts are identical. We're going to be working with pages, so we'll click on pages. And so we started off on dashboard, went to the website button, clicked on pages. Now we're going to edit our waterfalls page. So across from waterfalls, click edit. And we already have the title waterfalls. So let's scroll on down and our editing screen is completely blank. So this is where we're going to work from. So we're going to add Yosemite Valley waterfalls. And let's highlight this. We'll center it. And then for SEO, for search engine optimization, we're going to use header 1. So you leave it highlighted. You go to Format. Click on that. Scroll down to Formats. Click on Headings. And then click on Heading 1. And you don't see the adjustment here, but when you look at the website, you're going to see this is much larger. Now we're going to click Enter. And again, we're going to bring our cursor back down to the middle. And we're going to go ahead and start with the 2-column template. And the reason for doing 2 and 3 column templates is because, first of all, you can put multiple images in a row. And second of all, when you look on mobile, it's going to drop the images one beneath the other. So start with two columns. And we'll click on the image. You highlight the blank image. You'll see that it's highlighted. Then you click on the Insert Edit Image icon. Click the up arrow. You can upload images. Now, we already have them under My Images. It's very easy to upload. You just choose Files, you choose your file, and then you double click, and it uploads them straight into My Images. You can do this from your phone, from your desktop, laptop, whatever. So click on My Images. We already uploaded our images. This is the first image we're going to use of Nevada Falls. So we click OK. Let's go to the next image. So you highlight the image, you click the Insert Edit Image icon, you click the up arrow. Again, we already have them loaded, so we're going to upload it. So we're going to click on My Images. This time we're going to use this image of Vernal Falls. And click on Use, click on OK. And we're going to scroll down. You're going to notice that there's some filler words below the image. These are just Greek filler words that we're going to replace. And then you'll notice that there are dashes above and below. And the dashes are just for formatting because the formatting here is different than the regular formatting. So it's just to help you keep track, that's the reason for the dashes. So we'll click Enter. This time we're going to scroll up and do a 3-column. So we just did 2-column. Now we're doing a 3-column. We'll clean this up the dashes here in just a moment, but let's keep this moving. Highlight the image. Click the Insert Edit Image icon, click the up arrow. We'll go to My Images, and we're going to use this image here of Nevada Fall from the John Muir Trail. And then the next one, we're going to go through this a little quicker now. Click the up arrow, go to My Images, and this picture of Upper Yosemite Falls. Click Use, click OK. highlight, insert edit image icon, up arrow, my images, and this image here of Upper Yosemite Falls. And then we're going to add one more image below, but let's clean this up a little bit. So we'll highlight all these filler words, and we're just going to type in a description. So this is Nevada Falls. And we could center this, but to save time, we're not going to center our descriptions. So this is Vernal Falls. And then we're going to get rid of these dashes. Just go delete, delete, and then delete. And then we're going to back this up all the way right here, get it as close as we can. You'll see that the cursor went up here, which means it's not going to get any closer. And then we're going to scroll down. Let's get our descriptions on the bottom three. So this is Nevada Falls via the John Muir Trail. And this is Upper Yosemite Falls with a rainbow. And there's a rainbow down here at the bottom of the image. And then here is another picture of Upper Yosemite Falls. And then we're going to add one more image. So you click on to keep the formatting, you just click Enter. Get your cursor below that so you're back to regular formatting. Click the Insert Edit Image icon. Click the up arrow. Go to My Images, and we're going to use this image of Upper Yosemite Falls looking down, so we click OK. And we can size the image by dragging the corner, but we're going to leave it large. And then we're going to add a description. You'll notice that our cursor is off to the side, so I'm just going to click Enter, get my cursor down here, and then we're going to do looking down from Upper Yosemite Falls, and we'll center that one, that's fine. And then we're going to get rid of this dash, just go delete, and then back it up as close as we can get. That looks very good. And then up at the top, let's get rid of one more dash, and then bring that up a little bit. Now we haven't clicked on update yet, but let's look at preview. Click the preview button. You'll notice that the header is header 1. You can tell that by the very large letters. And again, that helps with your SEO, your search engine optimization. And then this is what the page looks like. And then on mobile view, you click on mobile and go to the top. And you'll see that the images are stacked one below another on mobile view. Let's go back to the editing screen. One more thing. Let's add a featured image. So we're going to go to, oh, here it is, featured image, choose. We'll go to My Images. I'm going to use this one, looking down from Vernal Falls. And then one other thing, if we wanted to, we could add a gallery section. Now we have a different tutorial on this. I'm going to show where to find it at the end, but you just click on that, you choose images, and you click on add item. It's real easy if you want to do that, but we're not going to do that. It's only for pages too. It's not for posts. It's just for pages. We'll uncheck gallery because we're not going to do that today, but I'm going to show you where to find it. So we've added our images. We'll click update. Now let's tab over to our AAA Outdoor Scenes website and take a look at it. And we'll go to our home page. We're going to refresh our website. And then now let's click on the waterfalls page. This is the page we just edited. And there it is. So you have Yosemite Valley waterfalls. We have our featured image. We have our 2-column. You'll see that the images on 2-column are much bigger than the images on 3-column. So if you want your images to appear larger on a desktop, then use the 2-column as opposed to the 3-column. But here are the images. There's the rainbow on that Upper Yosemite Falls picture. And then there's the image looking down at Upper Yosemite Falls, looking down at the valley. And let's go ahead and tab back over. And one thing, make sure that you use our help button. Click on the help button. The featured tutorial videos are very good. Also, the Help Center is excellent. Let's click on Help Center. That takes you to help.datasar.com. And we're going to click on Website Help. You're going to find this tutorial video right in here. And then if you want to learn how to use the slider image gallery, just click on Slider Image Gallery, and we have a whole tutorial on how to do that with that. So let's tab back over and back to Connect, back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how to add multiple images to a page or a post at Datasar Connect.